In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from all workshop items on Steam quickly and easily. This is perfect if you want to clean up old mods, reset a Games Workshop subscriptions, or just remove everything and start fresh. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open the Steam app on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once Steam is open, go to your library. From there, select the game that you want to clean up. This part matters because workshop subscriptions are tied to each individual game, so you'll need to open the specific game you want to manage. After you've selected the game, look under the play button and find the horizontal menu. In that menu, click the workshop tab. This will take you to that game's workshop page, where you can manage all of the items you're currently subscribed to. Now, look over to the right-hand sidebar and find the section that says Your Files. Under that area, click on your avatar or profile picture. A drop-down menu should appear. From that menu, select Subscribed Items. This will bring up a list of every workshop item you've subscribed to for that game. If you have a lot of items, don't worry, because the next step makes removing them much faster. On the right side of the list, you should see a button that says Unsubscribe from All. Click that button to remove every subscribed workshop item for that game at once. Steam will then ask you to confirm the action in a pop-up window, so go ahead and confirm it. Once you do that, Steam will unsubscribe you from all workshop items for that game, and the items should stop being tied to your account. If you ever want to resubscribe later, you can always go back to the workshop and add the items again, one by one. This is a super fast way to clean up your workshop subscriptions without manually removing each item individually. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Steam tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.